What's up, people? Before I dig too deep into this, I want to give a huge shout out to Creative for hooking me up with this. It's the Outlier black headphones, man. We're gonna check these out today because they look pretty hot. So let's just open up this box. Let me grab my little knife here and dig right into this video because I know y'all ready. Y'all ready for the results, man. Y'all want to know what I think about the Outliers. Outlier, that's a creative word, man. I consider myself to be a bit of an outlier in a lot of different ways. All right, so immediately we are greeted with this is your 3.5mm AUX cable. Then you got your micro USB right here. And then we got some plastic. Let's pull this out. Okay, hold on. Got some stuff falling out of here. All right, so there's nothing else in this box. Very environmentally conscious box they got here. I'm just gonna put it right here, man, just because I'm respectful to my boxes. All right, so we got this plastic with the headphones in there. Let's check out what else we get. Got some instructions. I ain't gonna bother with those. Let me see here. This is a carrying pouch. Let me open this up. All right. Ooh, this is soft. It's soft. It's kind of small though. Let me look at these headphones. It's nice on the inside, but it seems kind of small. Let me open these up. Let me see how well they fit. Yeah, it looks like they're actually gonna fit in there. Do they collapse? Okay, they will fit. So let's just make sure everything works out. All right, they do fit. I was a little alarmed at first by the size of this bag, but man, these fit in here real good. Kind of nice. All right, let's get these things out of here so I can actually start judging stuff. All right, so let's put the bag right there. Super light headphones. Super light, super compact, but they are over-ear headphones. Let me see. I'm assuming they look pretty good on my head as far as like the curvature and the fit. So I can't see right now. Y'all gotta tell me, how do they look? All right, but they do feel comfortable. The cushions are actually really. It's like a protein leather, man, but it's got to be vinyl. It's actually really soft. It's not a memory foam or nothing like that. It actually does have some sponginess to it, but it's real nice on your head. Let me see here. Same material on the headband. Little creative branding embossed right there on the side. Speaking of branding, it's not too much. I'm not mad at it, Creative. You got your branding right there embossed. I like the embossed branding because it's real classy looking. But over here you got Creative right there. Oh, and then you got your controls right here. So let's just take this little plastic off. Okay, let me read it because it's blank. Once you pull this sticker off, there is no branding there. So you have to know what you're doing. So we got back, forward, play and pause, multifunction, up and down. Okay, easy enough. Let's take that off. So that's pretty slick, man. They only have branding in 2 different spots. They got creative there, and nothing here. You just really need to know what you're doing. All right, so you got these folded hinges right here. As far as build quality, I don't see nothing wrong with it, man. It's all plastic except for this tiny little piece of aluminum right there in the headband. But let's just see. Yeah, no crickety-cracketiness. You know, they seem pretty sturdy to be all plastic, man. And that keeps them super lightweight. Man, these things are super lightweight. All right, so they do fold up, pretty portable. Let's see how they sound. Let's hook them up real quick. Get them hooked up. I don't even know what I was listening to last, but let me turn them on. How about that? I'm assuming you press and hold. I don't see a power button. Okay, I think I just turned them on. Oh, they're pairing right now. Hold on. All right, there they go. Creative Outlier Black. Speaking of the black, it's a matte black. It's not glossy. It's like this stealthy black finish, man. It's kind of nice looking. You know what, man? So I've been looking for some headphones to just keep in my car, and you know, something that wasn't too expensive, something, you know, just easy to stow away and grab, and you know, just kind of some on-the-fly headphones, because I be listening to audiobooks all the time, and you know, I get out of the car and I still want to listen, but I don't have no earbuds or nothing with me. Like if I'm going in the store like Home Depot or something, I still want to listen. You know, these might make it. We'll see how they sound. Let me see. Okay, so they're all paired up. Let me see what I was listening to last. Ooh, wait a minute. I'm gonna go to my song I've been jamming. Dude, this is like one of my favorite songs. Let me see. Y'all ain't ready for this right here. Y'all don't know nothing about this. Oh, snap. I ain't no joke. I used to let the mic smoke. Now slam it when I'm done and make sure it's broke. So it does have the latest Bluetooth where it actually lets you control the volume and it matches up to your phone and sync and everything. I just hit something, hold on. All the controls work. Oh man, I got that DMX going right now. All right, let me play some DMX. That's a little bit newer music, so the sound quality is a little bit better. This is Slipping, Falling, I Can't Get Up. Let me fast forward a little bit. You know what, man? These are pretty good, man. God, dog. All right, let me listen to some more stuff, man. Let me just make sure they're good for all around listening. Because hip hop, they sound real good. They're not muddy. The bass is present, the mids are balanced, the highs are balanced. Let me go into my EQ settings, because when I listen to country music, I listen in more of a concert type of setting. So let me put it on that real quick. Check this out. Now, y'all don't know nothing about this either, man. This is that George Strait, Give It All We Got Tonight. Now woo, this is a country baby maker right here. Just drink up this love, baby. Give it all we got tonight. Hey, George, this is a baby maker right here. George Strait, if you watching this video, you producing kids right now. All right, let me turn this off. Okay, wait a minute. Let me turn this off. Let me give you. I don't need to hear any more on these headphones. I'm thoroughly impressed with these headphones. Creative Outlier Black. These are nice. I think these just might make it into my car. Like I said, I wanted some inexpensive headphones to keep in the car that would do the job for my audiobooks. But you know, when you jamming, man, in your car, you just want to pop out real quick, maybe run into Home Depot or Walmart, or even the Red Circle Boutique. That's Target for all you non-bougie folks. I think these are gonna be it, man, because I've been thinking about that lately, and I hate cutting off my experience with the audiobook or the music. Now, for audiobooks, I'm sure these sound amazing, but for audio, I listened to some hip hop just now. The DMX sounded good. The difference between the DMX and the Eric B and Rakim was a little bit, you could tell the difference in the quality. It was 80s quality or 90s quality versus, you know, 2000s quality. But then I kicked it over to George Strait, and you could still hear, I mean, I put it in my little concert mode that I always listen to my country and my jazz with, and it sounded great. I mean, hey, I think they're a go, man. So if you're looking for some inexpensive headphones that sound good, super light, super portable, and I don't know how they look on my head. Once again, y'all get to be the judge of that. I can't see right now, but I dig them. I dig them. I dig them. I dig them a lot. So, hey, look, I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I sure ain't no audiophile, but I definitely like the way these sound. But before I get out of here, y'all go ahead and tap on that like button, smash on the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.